Hello, welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. I am going to be testing these Craftgear 12 Jumbo Skin Tone Color Pencils. And they are for ages 3 and up. And I got these at Ross. Apparently they were $7 and I got them for $4.99. All this time I thought I had Crayola. And I went to do this video. And then, wait a minute. It's Craftgear. Okay, so I got my little pad here of Strathmore color pencil paper. And this is my testing on my previous video for the Yover color pencils. So let's get these bad boys out. I don't want to rip it. Of course, it's just a cardboard box. A little plastic tray inside. It does not want to open. Alright, so once again, so it looks like a little flimsy plastic tray. There's your array. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing is they're not round, so they're not going to roll off your table. You want to check the lead in the barrel. You want to make sure those are centered. So if they're like off to the side, lead's going to break a lot. So they are a big pencil for little hands or whoever's hands. So here's the comparison between a normal size color pencil. So let's try them out one at a time. Okay, start here. There's no names or numbers. Okay, let's try these. How am I going to sharpen this? I do have a Stabilo pencil sharpener. They might fit in that. Well, they're a little rough, a little patchy. Well, let's just keep going. That's the first color, whatever that color that is. There's the second color. Look how they're nice and big. I do like that. I got a cat in the closet. Oh, stop it. Kept trying to get into the closet. Alright. There's not a whole lot of coverage. Of course, I thought I had Crayola. Okay. And color number 4. I guess you could number them yourselves. You do have to go over it several times. Does anybody out there use these? Tell me what you think about them. And if you have drawn something with them successfully, I'd like to see that. Oh, get back in there. We did a little roly-poly here. Okay. Start down here. Over here. Okay. Once they're getting side by side, I can see the different tones. There is a nice variety of skin tones. Okay. This is probably the only time you'll see me swatch every single one of something. There's only 12, so I thought it wouldn't be that bad. Let's try a little blending there. So far, that's my favorite one. It blends the best, or is the smoothest. Isn't that weird how different colors feel differently? Okay, I am pressing a little harder than I was. That seems to be doing a little bit better. There is some little flaking. The lead's not breaking. The lead is strong. Okay, last one. Okay, so there they are. Let's see if we can blend some. These two colors seem to be blending kind of nice. Those went together pretty good. I guess it's a matter of layering and burnishing. They are blending good with one another, going over top. Let's try to get a little closer here. Look, it's like seamless transition. Well, that's impressive. This is, I think, too big of a jump of hue. Okay. Well, these two are going pretty good. Well, start over here. I am quite impressed with how well they blend together. It's not perfect. They do blend. Can I say blend one more time? So you can't go too big of a jump though. Seems like the closer together in tone or hue, the better it blends. Huh. Actually, they're not too bad. Of course, I didn't sharpen them either, so sometimes that helps get that first layer of whatever's on there off. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I kind of made a purple. But look how nice those blended together down here and up here. But not too bad. If you can find them. Like I said, I just happened to wander across these at Ross for $5. I thought I'd give it a try. I've had them for like 8 months. Just not getting to it. It's smooth. Okay, so they're not too bad. I kind of like them. There you go, the Craftgear 12 Jumbo Skin Tone Color Pencils. 3 years plus. I would recommend these. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. It's very much appreciated. Have a great day.